Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert multiple pictures into PowerPoint on different slides. First, open your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add the pictures. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top menu. Click on Photo Album under the Images section. Select New Photo Album to start creating your collection of images. Now click File/Disk and browse your computer for the photos you want to insert. Hold down Control on PC or Command on Mac to select multiple pictures at once. After selecting your pictures, click Insert to add them to the photo album dialog box. Here, you can adjust the order of your images, fit them to slides, and make any other edits you want. Once you're happy with the arrangement, click Create. PowerPoint will generate a series of slides, each containing one of your selected pictures. And that's it. You've successfully inserted multiple pictures into different slides in your presentation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.